Hey there, it's me, Hasta with WTI.
And I can't be more pleased with this Scosche Magic mount. This one is a MagSafe car mount, and I'm in love with it. It's magnetic. It is great for all mobile devices. I also love that it comes with instructions on how to install it depending on the device that you have. And it comes with a cleaning wipe, with a little magnet that you can stick to your phone if you don't have a MagSafe case. So that's very practical. And that's what I did to my phone. I didn't have a MagSafe case, so that was very useful for me to use the mount. It comes with a lock nut adjustment, so it's really easy for me to adjust how much hold I want it to have. So that's very useful and practical. I also love that the installation of this mount is so fast and easy. I first wanted it to be on my dashboard, but I then decided I wanted it to be on my windshield because that way I could have more visibility and I could grab my phone easily. And this is how easy it was to stick the magnet to the back of my phone and how to use the suction base. You see it took less than 20 seconds, and then here I was adjusting the preferred angle for my phone to be in a comfortable visible position. So as you can see, it was so easy to install. I am in love with it because it's very practical. I can go everywhere with it. I can use my GPS all the time.
And that's my point of view.